Welcome to Gadget V. Like, share and subscribe our channel to watch more videos. Today we are going to unbox a Ducati bike from Maisto. It's a Panigale model and it looks very gorgeous, and I played it with that bike actually. Let us unbox the Ducati Panigale bike. It has come in a very nice box with red in color, and the logo, other stuffs and all, it's very clear, and it's 1:18 scale size model, and some sticker has been turned off. Official diecast logo sticker has been sticked here, and let's open the box. The bike is here. It's very good looking headlamps, and it's come in a good package in a good condition. Thank God. Thank you for the courier. This Ducati Panigale bike looks very awesome actually, and it gives us a feel like definitely we should have owned it definitely once in our life, and we'll unscrew it. Just in a few seconds we'll do that. We have done unboxing. This is a 1199 Ducati Panigale bike. It's so nice, and it's smaller in size than the other bikes which we have unboxed earlier, and it's good looking. Let's see the side view of the bike. It has nice um, alloy wheels thing. Light damage in the this thing side indicator, but it is good. See the suspension and other stuffs and all, it's really good, and it has some golden color paint detailing in the side panel, and the stand is so nice. The suspension is really going very high than the previous models. Front, it's not an active one, but still it's good. Tank alone, it is metal. Other parts are all plastic, but still Maisto has done a good job in this bike. It has readings also in speedometer, and it's a mobile stand. Let's try to push the bike. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment us below